Kanban is a visual management method for optimizing continuous process improvement. A Kanban board is a tool that teams use to visualize and manage their workflow. Some teams use physical Kanban boards, but virtual Kanban boards are widely popular and effective as well.
The Kanban method helps teams manage the flow of work, limit work in progress, and visualize the work. It increases team alignment by clearly showing what's being worked on, what's been completed, and what's next. It also improves communication and helps teams identify and address bottlenecks.
The first benefit of using Kanban is its simplicity and accessibility. It's easy for many teams to understand and start using right away.
Because Kanban allows teams to focus on a few tasks at a time, it can reduce stress and improve productivity. By creating focus, Kanban helps individuals and teams make their work more efficient. And finally, it fosters continuous improvement through gradual changes and enhancements over time.
A potential challenge of Kanban is that it requires investment from every team member and a continuous prioritization and reprioritization of work. To work effectively, each person also needs to maintain their tasks on the board and update it as soon as work is completed.
With Kanban, it can be difficult to establish timelines and predict exactly when large initiatives can be completed, as Kanban doesn't impose set deadlines or time boxes.
And while Kanban's flexibility is an advantage, it can also create challenges for teams used to a more structured approach, which could lead to misalignment if the team doesn't establish team norms.
Kanban is often best suited for teams whose tasks come in continuously, such as support or services teams, rather than work that's planned in advance as it is in product development.